Yeah,
Yo, yo.
yeah.
Mr. Bilang.
Ooh.
Hello guys, how are you? All the member of this group, heavy equipment mechanic worldwide. We are getting more and more members every day. Mostly all of them are Filipinos, and a lot of job they are posted in our group. It's good because they are trust in our group. One thing I share to you today for this troubleshooting. Okay, look at this pipe. So it is different to all of these high pressure lines. What's the customer complaint? Is engine not start. Okay, engine not start. One thing I noticed for this is this connector. Okay, maybe because they replaced the injector before, or they replaced this pipe due to leaking. That's why the history is very important. Maybe when they remove this pipe, they remove the injector, and they over tight this nut. Okay, when they over tight, it's damaged this stud bolt. Now what is the effect? Maybe not maybe, because of this common ground, the ACM always notice, okay, the 1, 2 and 3 injector is shorted. So that's why this engine not start. 3 injector is shorted when we make injector solenoid test. First, I inspect and we test the ACM is okay. Second is the harness, and the last, when we verify that the ACM is okay and the harness is okay also, because we tried to install to other machine. Now we decide to open this valve cover. When we open this valve cover, we notice this broken nut. Okay, look at this piece. Yes, look at this piece. So because of they hire a cheap laborer or cheap mechanic, not a good mechanic, that is the result. They not torque properly, over torque, or what else, how they type this harness. So reminder for all technician, do not under torque, do not over torque the nut or bolt you are tightening. Okay, that's only for our day to day, and I miss you all, my friend, all the member of this group. By the way, I have a YouTube channel, Caterpillar Mechanic TV KSA. If you would like to learn a lot of things, or you want to learn about Caterpillar machine, electronics, programming, all of them are already uploaded in my YouTube channel. Again, that is Caterpillar Mechanic TV KSA. KSA stand for Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. That's all, and have a nice day. God bless everyone.